Grandma's Touch, the foolproof method for tender and juicy meat. Let's start our recipe by adding 500 grams of meat to a dish and covering it with 2 cups of milk. This is the secret to making the meat tender and juicy. Now, in a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 3 minced garlic cloves, half a cup of water, and half a cup of soy sauce. Mix everything very well until it forms a flavorful marinade. Don't miss the end of the video. The result of this recipe is irresistible. Next, we'll add this marinade to the meat we set aside. Mix well to ensure every piece is well seasoned. Now, in a skillet, let's add a bit of oil and then place all the seasoned meat, spreading it out well to ensure every piece is seared. Keep stirring as it starts to brown. Once it's at this stage, we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and keep stirring. The final result is amazing, so keep watching. Now we'll add to our meat 1/4 of a green bell pepper, 1/4 of a yellow bell pepper, 1/4 of a red bell pepper, 1 onion sliced into strips, and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from, so I can send you a shout out in the next video. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Now it's time to add half a cup of water, cover it, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Finally, sprinkle some chopped parsley on top, and our meat is ready. Now, just transfer it to a plate and serve. It turned out delicious, didn't it? You can also add other ingredients of your choice to make the recipe even more delicious. It's amazing how we can create such a fantastic recipe with just a few ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe and found the tips helpful, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Today's shout out goes to Carol. Thank you so much for following our recipes. If you've watched this recipe all the way through, it means you liked it, so rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so I can keep making delicious recipes like this one. The final result is a flavorful and extremely delicious recipe with a perfect balance of ingredients that everyone will love. Thank you for watching and see you next time.